time, you be a playmaker every snap, all right?
I want y'all to attack us. You know what we do, we respond back.
Full throttle! Give everything you got!
If we hit them with the full force of this team, we hit them with the full force of this football team, we will take them out of the fight.
All right, let's get pins. Let's get knockdowns. Let's be more cool than we are.
Let's go, baby!
This side of nine.
Let's go!
Yeah, you line it up normal.
Right.
Every single snap blocking. Let's get after guys, all right?
Let's go. Okay, run to the ball.
Big play. Full of boys, man. They're full of boys, man.
Gotta keep this energy going, dog. Non-stop. Let's go back out there with the fire.
Finish on 3, 1, 2, 3, finish! Start it off, let's go, points. We're just getting warmed up, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
He got hurt, remember?
Tom, we set the tempo. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Protect the football, no penalty.
Let's go to the house on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all gotta set the tone early, man. Let them know what's up.
Every play, I'll see you bouncing around playing fast. I'll see you bouncing around playing fast, okay?
On camera, Newsom with that big MVP for the team.
Hey! It's the way to freaking play.
What up, Coach?
Yes, sir! That's what I'm talking about. Great job. Great job right there, man. Hey, great job. We got to finish, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to finish.
Hi, Dad.
Gotta keep going. 6 more to go.
6 more to go, dog.
Great win, the team win. I mean, you know, we come back in here, I think we had each other's back.